In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward email to WhatsApp. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to take messages you receive in your email inbox and share them directly into a WhatsApp chat, whether that's with a friend, a family member, or a work group. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to copy, and how to format things so they look clean and are easy to read on WhatsApp. First, open the email you want to forward. This can be on your computer or your phone. But using your phone is usually easier because WhatsApp is already installed there. Make sure the email is fully loaded so you can see the subject line, the sender, and the main body of the message. Next, you want to bring up the options to share or forward that email. On most email apps, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots or a share arrow. Tap that and look for the option that lets you share or forward the content. If you see WhatsApp directly in the share menu, that's the fastest route. Tap WhatsApp, choose the contact or group you want to send it to, and confirm. Your email text will be pasted into a WhatsApp message automatically, and you can add a quick note above it if you like. If WhatsApp doesn't appear as an option, don't worry. Just use the classic copy and paste method. In your email, tap and hold on the text you want to send. Drag the selection handles so you highlight all the important parts. Try to include the subject line and any key details, but you can skip long signatures or disclaimers to keep things cleaner. Once you've selected what you need, tap Copy. Now switch over to WhatsApp and open the chat where you want to send the email. Tap in the message box and hold until the paste option appears. Then tap Paste. Before sending, take a moment to tidy up the text. You can add a short line at the top like forwarded from email and maybe the date, so the person reading it understands where this message came from. Finally, hit send. Your email content is now in WhatsApp, ready to be read, replied to, or forwarded again inside the app. You can repeat this process for any email you want. Open it, share or copy the text, paste into WhatsApp, format it a bit, and send. Over time, this becomes a quick habit that saves you from retyping important information and keeps your conversations in one convenient place.